In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a digital planner with hyperlinks in Canva. We'll go from a blank design to a clickable planner you can use on your tablet or share as a PDF. First, open Canva. Click Start, then use the search bar to look for Digital Planner and start a new design. If you're prompted to choose a size, pick the dimensions that fit your needs, like a standard page size or something optimized for tablets. The important thing is to commit to one size so everything stays consistent across your pages. Next, choose a template that suits your style. You can go minimal or colorful, whatever matches your planner's purpose. Once you've selected a template, customize it. Update the colors, fonts, and layout to reflect your preferences. Keep headings and body text consistent throughout so your planner feels cohesive and easy to read. Now, create your pages. Typical sections include a cover, a yearly overview, monthly pages, weekly spreads, and notes. As you build them, open Grid View and name each page clearly, things like cover, January, or weekly. Clear page names make hyperlinking faster and help you avoid mistakes later. Add navigation elements next. These are the tabs or buttons your users will click to move around. Go to the Elements tab and use shapes and text to build tabs like Home, Yearly, Monthly, Weekly, and Notes. Place them where they'll be visible on every page, and style them consistently so users instantly recognize them as navigation. To turn a tab or button into a clickable link, select the element. In the floating toolbar, click the More icon, the three dots, and choose Link. In the Link dialog, scroll to the section labeled Pages in this document, then select the specific page you want that element to go to. Click Done, or click anywhere on the editor to apply the link. You'll often see underlined text to indicate it's clickable, which is a helpful visual cue. Repeat this process for all your navigation elements on every relevant page. A time-saving tip is to finish hyperlinking one complete set of tabs, group them, and copy and paste the entire group onto your other pages. That keeps spacing, style, and links consistent throughout the planner. When all your hyperlinks are in place, click the Share button in the top right. Select Download, then choose PDF Standard as the file type. This format preserves your clickable links, unlike image files or video formats. Click Download and your planner will be saved as a PDF. When someone opens it, they can click the tabs and jump instantly to the link pages. Thanks for watching.